True love's not bound by time or place. It's found in heart, a quiet grace, a steady glow that never fades in sunlight paths and shadowed glades, in gentle hands that lift you high through storm, tossed seas and darkened sky, a warmth that soothes the coldest night, an endless flame, a guiding light. Time love is more than words. We speak its strength in moment we feel weak. A silent foe, both strong and still, an endless bond. A steadfast will through airs that pass as rivers flow. True love roots deepen, softly grow. It weathers all yet stays the same, an ageless fire, an endless flame. True love's a silent, tender song, a melody that's plays lifelong. It needs no stage, no ground displayed. It hold us close through far away through time and space. Its echoes rings like whispered notes that softly killing an endless tune, both old and new, a timeless dance for hearts so true. It's found in laughter's gentle sound, in steady steps on sacred ground. It's light that's warm, that coldest dawn, a shield of hope. When hope is gone, true love's not chained to fleeting days. It wins through life in subtle way, a bond unseen yet deeply felt, a quiet fire that never melts. When tempests rise and thunders roll, true love's the anchor of the soul. It holds us firm. It keeps us whole, a silent force that makes us bold. In moment dark, when courage fades, when shadows fall in twisting shades, true love's the hands that lifts us high, the breath of peace, a gentle sigh. It asks for naught but gives its all in whispered prayer in every call. It meant the cracks in broken hearts and gentle stitches served parts. True love's the strength when we feel weak. It's silent vow we needn't speak. It's found in ears, in soft spun threads, in silver lines and tear stained beads. Through winters, cold and summer high, bright, true love's a flame, a steadfast light. In darkened skies, in burns with pride, a radiant spark that can't be denied in stands through times. A rock, a road, unmoved by storm, by drought, by suit, its root grow deep through soil and stone. A tree that blooms when we are alone, when shoots sweet blush, has faded fast, and days of laughter have all passed. True love remains a steady tide, a silent pulse that won't subside. It wa- whether all it won't retreat in trial fires. It find, it beat, and though the years may stretch and strain, it stays the same through joy and pain. True love is more than what we say, it's how we live day after day. It's a small embrace, soft and warm, the quiet strength through every storm, through life's rough seas. It guides our way, a lighthouse through the mist and spray. It shines a path both near and far, a steady light, a guiding star. With each new dawn, it grows anew in changing worlds. It stays true blue in ageless fire with endless spark that lights our lives when night are dark. True love is more than moral life. It tranced years of joy and strife. It's etched in souls. It marks our way, a gift of grace that will not sway. It lives beyond our fleeting breath, defying even time and death. For love that's true will always stay. Its fire never fades away through endless years as river flow. True love's deep roots will surely grow, an endless flame, a gentle spark, a love that shines through life's great hour when all else fades and we are gone. True love remains still, holding on, a sacred bond, forever blessed, an ageless fire, our hearts true rest.